Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get certification here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Getting Salesforce certification involves several steps, including selecting the right certification, studying, and of course taking the certification exam. Now, the number one thing that you need to do is to choose your certification. The Salesforce offers various certifications tailored to different roles and expertise levels, all right? You see, there's going to be a button here that you want to click because basically Salesforce has different certifications such as Salesforce Administrator, Salesforce Advanced Administrator, Salesforce Development, Salesforce Architect, Salesforce Consultant, and of course, the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Now, the next thing is you might want to prepare for the exam, all right? You see, there's going to be an option for study and prepare. You can learn at your own pace with a learning path designed just for you. All right. You can review the exam guide because each certification has a detailed exam guide that outlines the topics covered, exam format, and passing score. And of course, you can find these guides on the Salesforce certification website. If you click on the Get the Exam Guide here, you would notice that these are some of the essentials for you to master. All right. Exam guide is here. I want you to take a look on every link that has here. And of course, you can take practice exams if you wanted. All right. You see, there's a lot. So these are some of the Salesforce free online learning platform like Trailhead offers modules and trails specifically designed for each certification. You can search for the relevant trails related to your chosen certification. For example, if you're looking for the administrator certification, you might want to click on this certification exam. These are some of the administrator practice tests. So there's a lot that you can work with. All right. And of course, after that, you might want to join some study groups to engage with the Salesforce community. So you can focus on forums and platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, or the Trailblazer community. This allows you to connect with other candidates and share resources. And of course, you can also provide your feedback or get some Salesforce help, all right? Now, once you're prepared, the Salesforce certification exams are administered by a third-party provider called Person VUE. All you have to do is create an account here to manage your exam registrations. Once you're logged in, select the certification exam you wish to take from the list of available options. And of course, Salesforce exam fees varies on the certification level. All right, and after that, you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.